Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by updating and wearing the watch correctly. This ensures accurate sensors. Once done, enable wrist detection and motion calibration so steps and heart rate report reliably. Next, open the activity app and set your move calories, exercise minutes, and stand hours to realistic targets. Now start a simple 10-minute outdoor walk via workout or let the watch record everyday movement. This first recording establishes your baseline and trains the algorithms for better daily tracking. You'll keep momentum by using the workout app for focused sessions. Pick the activity type and whether you want a time, distance, or open workout. While active, glance at the watch to monitor heart rate, pace, distance, and active calories so you can adjust effort in real time. Make sure GPS and auto-pause are enabled for accurate routes and stops. If you need discipline, set pace or heart rate alerts. They nudge you to push harder or recover, which directly closes your rings more efficiently. You'll finish each day by reviewing your rings and workouts in the iPhone Fitness app to see trends and weekly progress. Once done, use sharing and competitions to stay accountable, invite friends, or join a monthly challenge to keep consistent. If something looks off, troubleshoot. Make sure the watch fits, enable location services, then recalibrate by doing a 20-minute outdoor walk at a steady pace. If problems persist, reset fitness calibration data, or restart both devices to restore accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.